The Vormooi 160GB voice recorder offers generous storage that comfortably handles long courses, conferences, and interview series without constant file cleanup. Its battery is designed for marathon use, delivering extremely long continuous recording on a single full charge so you can cover multi-day events without worrying about power. Recording quality is impressively clear thanks to high bitrate audio, a sensitive directional microphone, and multi-level noise reduction that keeps background distractions to a minimum. Daily operation feels straightforward, with a simple slide switch for recording, a color display that makes menus and file information easy to read, and a lock control that prevents accidental interruptions in your notes. 3 different input options, including the built-in microphone, a line-in connection, and the supplied external microphone, make this recorder flexible enough for lectures, interviews, and direct audio feeds. The package is well thought out, bundling the recorder with the external microphone, cables, and clear guidance so you can get reliable recordings right out of the box.